Hey everybody, I'm taking a look at Lexmark today. Lexmark is obviously not as strong as it once was. P ratio 6.75, dividend yield 5.58. A lot of people are down on it. But once again, as I always do, take a look at a beaten up company and I say to myself, what's good about it? What's positive about it? And for me, um, there's some things to look at, as far as positivity. You know, the 5.58 dividend yield, which I don't know how current that is or whatever. The P ratio looks good. Um, they just look like a company that I would be willing to buy. And the sad part is, I wish I already had some. I wish I had seen this earlier. Because yes, I am going to buy Lexmark. And people are gonna say, you know what, Chad? You're a fool, doing foolish things like always. But hey, Lexmark is a good company. It has been a good company. It's been around for a very long time. Um, will it keep going down? Is that what people are always worried about? Going down? It's at the bottom right now, yo. Is this the bottom? You know, you don't think so? Well, thing is, I see it at the bottom. I just see it like, could it go lower? Yeah, it could go lower. Absolutely, it could go a lot lower. You know, but I mean, the thing I don't understand is, how are people investing? When they invest, do they put all their money into it at once? Because when I invest, if this goes down to $4 a share, I'll dollar cost average it all the way down, and I'll be right in the game, waiting for it to go up. So when it goes down, I'm having fun. Cheaper, discount, whatever. When it goes up, I'm chilling. It's fine. Sometimes I buy it. You know, look at this company. Everybody knows I've been buying this the whole time. I've been talking about it nonstop. Buying it, bought it down here on the dips again. Actually, when I bought it on the dips, it actually raised my cost per share, because I initially I bought it way down here, but I realized, this thing could take off big time. This thing, or it could fall on its face, whatever. But I just kept on buying. Um, you don't know where this might go. You don't know what it might do, because this technology is new. They appear to be the front runner in this technology, which is debatable, but for me, I think it is. And well, when you look at it, it's back up to 39.92. People thought it was falling off. When I got up here, then it fell a little bit. I don't get scared. It's not like I started selling it. I don't care. I'm not afraid. I think if you have too much fear, then what are you doing? What are you doing in the stock market game? Like, you can't be scared. You have to roll the punches. If it drops, if any company I own drops all the way to the bottom, I'm still gonna buy it. Unless it's a company, that I really strongly believe can't bounce back. I mean, I'll take a catastrophic loss if I have to, but I never have. I, I, I mean, AMD. When I talk about AMD, everyone hates AMD, and AMD, not doing great, not doing well at all. But let's say if I bought it here, you think I'm not gonna buy it down here? Because I will. I don't care. That's why I don't buy too. I don't buy big. I don't buy giant chunks at a time. Yeah, you can make a lot more money if you invest, $100,000 a pop, possibly. But you're gonna be scared out of your mind. I'd rather spend $500 a pop. Just, if things go wrong, you can just dollar cost average out of it. Obviously, it matters how much money you have. Um, Not everybody's rich, but look at this one. I'm up what? Right around 24, 25% on Morgan Stanley. You know, Right now, I bought it all down here. I haven't been buying it. I mean, yeah, a lot of people buy it on the way up. Me, not so much. Mhm. Would I had made money if I bought it? Yeah, I would have made money right here. I could have bought it. Could have made money. But that's just not really how I do it. I like to buy them when they're at the bottom, when they're really shaky, like right down there. 'Cause that's where I like to be. I'm kind of like a scavenger like that. Like I see you, I think you're good, and I see you on way too cheap, and I'm willing to buy you. And if I lose my money, whatever. Wendy's, same thing with Wendy's. I didn't buy Wendy's yet. I'm waiting for them to hit that bottom where I feel I'm ripping them off. So Lexmark's right down in there though. It's right down in there where I'm thinking I gotta buy it at some point here. And I know it went up again yesterday, but everything went up. But when it gets down into this range, 16, between 16 and 18 bucks, that's where I'm probably gonna buy it. I might buy a tiny little bit of Lexmark right here. Yeah, well, I'm gonna buy a little bit. Now I'm gonna buy more when it goes down. Alright, hold on. I have to end this video because somebody's being loud.